now we make the marginal utility curve कि मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी कर्व हम लोग कैसे बनाएंगे। तो मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी कर्व हम लोग कैसे बनाएंगे, हम लोग को ये पॉइंट लेना पड़ेगा, कमोडिटी और मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी का जो पॉइंट है, ठीक है, कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग ईच कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग पॉइंट ऑफ कमोडिटी एंड मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी. So in the first point 1 blanks, okay, first point is 1 blank, so not needed. Second point 190, sorry 2, second point is 290, 290, this point just below to 100. Third point is 380, okay, below to 90. Fourth point is 470. Fifth point is 60. Now join these points. It is your marginal utility curve. So in this way we can make a relationship between total utility curve and marginal utility curve if we can draw the total utility curve and marginal utility curve. So now we will make a relationship between total utility curve and marginal utility curve like this. This is our total utility curve, okay, and if we take two diagrams, this is our total utility curve and this is our marginal utility curve, okay. This is our total utility curve and this is our, look, this is our total utility curve, and this is our marginal utility curve, this is our marginal utility curve, okay. So if our total utility curve is like this and marginal utility curve is like this, then we can make a relationship between total utility curve and marginal utility curve. So how we make a relationship? Make a relationship between TU and MU. It is very important question, relationship between TU and MU. The first question we can write, when we write the relationship, we can write TU equals to what we write, sum of MU, and MU equals to change in TU by change in X. Okay, this is the first relation we can write. This is the first relation. TU equals to sum of MU and MU equals to change in TU by change in X. Next point, what we can write? We can write TU increases at first, okay, but MU falls. So look at the picture, TU increases first, but at that time MU falls. Third point, when TU is maximum, then MU is how much? 0. TU is maximum, their corresponding MU is 0. Third point we can write, when TU fall, at that time MU negative, because it comes to the negative side. It comes to negative 0. First it is falling, then when it touches this axis, x-axis, it becomes 0. When it comes to below this axis, then that means MU is negative. So when TU falls, MU negative, okay. So in this way we will discuss total utility curve and marginal utility curve. So again I am filling this one. First I make the schedule, okay. In this schedule we convert this diagram, okay. After that what we after that we make a relationship between tu and mu. For tu and mu, tu curve will be like this. Actually tu curve will be like this and mu curve will be like this. Okay, so if you change this data, then we can make a diagram like tu curve this and mu curve this. Okay, after that we make a relationship between tu and mu. Tu means sum of mu and mu means change of tu by change of tx. Next, when tu curve increases, mu falls. When tu maximum, mu 0. When tu falls, mu becomes negative. Okay, next we will discuss about the next topic.